Oh boy, look what we got for you guys. That is a Kuranda raised dog bed. Ooh, they like that. You can jump on that. It's almost like a trampoline. So these are supposed to be indestructible. It's really good for them to have. They like it. Go check it out, Jam. What about you, Peanut? What you waiting for? Anyway, they'll end up playing on it and chasing each other under it. But if you're going to have a place outside for your pup to lay on, these are great. It's Kuranda, Kuranda. Easy to put together and just a better quality than some of the ones that are out on the market. What do you guys think about that? And guess what else? So for teething, I have peeled carrots for you. This is exciting. So cold peeled carrots to chew on. Ready? Want to check them out? What do you think? There you go. Check those out. Of course, now I'm here. Hello, butter, butter baby. Butter, butter baby. Oh, they have neighbors coming out. Makai's puppies are coming out for a little visit. What do you think, Goober? Goober. Hey, buddy. Do you like those carrots? Oh, yeah, they're checking out Makai's little. They're little. You guys used to be that little once. Let me turn down the radio. These guys are just getting used to being out here, so they a little bit whiny. What do you guys think about those carrots? Not sure? It's different, huh? Jam likes it. So I just, get the thickest carrots at the grocery store in the bulk bin and peel them. Who is that? Oh, don't bark at them. They aren't really sure what to make them. That's Butter. Butter, you wagging your tail at them? Let me move the crate a little bit. Had to turn the radio down. It was just a little noisy. You don't like the carrots? Well, you will. You just have a lot going on. We got new puppies coming out. Oh, I got to pick up. I got to do a pickup. There's that fun ball again. My strawberry? There's my strawberry. Oh, now we're checking out the carrots more. It's okay over there, guys. Uh-oh. I got to do we got Poopy pickup over there. You get him out moving, and then that's what happens. Hi, Peanut. Not going for it, are you? Huh? He just says, can you just sit in your lap? Peanut likes to be in your lap. Oh, what is that, Butter? Is that a puppy? Whoops. Oh, Skippy has a carrot he likes. Jam, good boy. Did you go potty where you're supposed to? Good boy. Anyway, I'll probably catch them playing on that bed when they get more interested in it. Hi, Goops. Oh, the puppies want to meet you. That's Callie, California Burrito. This is the Fiesta Foods litter. Chunky monkeys. All right, well, it's getting noisy out here, isn't it? What do you think, Butter? Do you like having a buddy next to? next to you? Oh, there's my Peanut. All right, where's the carrots? Oh, we got some. This is how they are when they first come out. They're just not sure. There you go. There's your carrots. And you can also do sweet potatoes. Cut them in long, thick, like a big long French fry almost. And that's healthy for them as well. If they're ever like really teething, you could take a kitchen towel, wet it, tie it in a knot, and put it in the freezer so it's super cold, and let them chew on that in their playpen. Just some ideas. Huh, Goober? Hi, buddy. He's in my goob. Hi. Oh, do you have a carrot, Peanut? Did you get it? Hi. You guys are almost the color of your dark carrots. All right. Signing off. What you doing up there, Butter? Butter baby. Do you like that? There's Strawberry. Everybody else is here at my feet. Okay. How many more days? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Ooh. 4 days for Goober, 5 days for the rest of you. Getting down there. Okay, bye.